don't last. I was down to my last then, stayed down till I cashed in. Just like I imagined when I was riding around in that Magnum. A lot of pounds out of vacuum, and we got it now, that ain't past tense. Looking like I got a second, everybody acting like we back friends. I'm just laughing. Spent 5 and I stashed 10 off the back end. Got a 10 mine and a black Benz with that F in. I don't know what they want from me, I just went and got my own money. Niggas acting like I own something, same time need a loan from me. I was trapped out with my phone jumping, and I cashed out, told them don't front me. I was searching for an early exit, trying to back out cause I know they coming. I was sipping on that syrup, heavy, popping 30s, yeah, it really roll running. I done it, got murder, had me with a 30 round clip and both guns.